Can a computer that solves problems 1,000 times faster than today's quantum systems become a reality before 2030? Microsoft has revealed Majorana 2, a quantum chip that reportedly delivers a 1,000 times improvement in qubit stability compared to its previous technology. The company now believes practical quantum computers could arrive by 2029, bringing one of science's biggest goals much closer than expected. Quantum computing has been one of the most ambitious scientific projects of the last few decades because the potential rewards are enormous. Today's fastest supercomputers can perform quadrillions of calculations per second, yet there are still problems that would take them hundreds or even thousands of years to solve. Quantum computers are designed to tackle those challenges by using qubits instead of traditional bits. Industries such as healthcare, finance, logistics, and materials science could benefit from this technology. Researchers estimate that advanced quantum systems may help speed up drug discovery, optimize global supply chains, and improve artificial intelligence. This is why governments and technology companies have already invested billions of dollars into quantum research. The race is not just about building a faster computer, it is about unlocking entirely new capabilities. For years, the biggest obstacle in quantum computing has been the instability of qubits. Traditional computer bits remain either a 0 or a 1, but qubits exist in delicate quantum states that can be disrupted by heat, vibrations, radiation, or even tiny environmental changes. Most modern quantum systems measure qubit lifetimes in microseconds, which means they survive for only millionths of a second before errors appear. As a result, scientists must use complex error correction methods that consume significant computing resources. In some cases, hundreds or even thousands of physical qubits may be needed to create a single reliable logical qubit. This challenge has slowed progress across the entire industry. Extending qubit stability has therefore become one of the most important goals in quantum research. Microsoft claims that Majorana 2 represents one of the largest advances in quantum stability seen in recent years. According to the company, the chip achieves an average qubit lifetime of approximately 20 seconds, while some qubits reportedly remained stable for nearly 60 seconds. When compared to systems measured in microseconds, this difference is remarkable. Microsoft states that this is roughly a 1,000 times improvement over its earlier generation of technology. Longer qubit lifetimes allow more calculations to be completed before errors occur, improving overall efficiency. This achievement has attracted attention from researchers around the world because stability has long been one of quantum computing's greatest weaknesses. If these results hold up under further testing, they could represent a major step toward practical quantum machines. The importance of stability becomes clear when looking at how quantum computers operate. Every quantum calculation depends on qubits maintaining their state long enough to complete complex operations. If qubits lose coherence too quickly, calculations fail and error rates increase dramatically. A jump from microseconds to tens of seconds is not a small upgrade. It represents an improvement measured in orders of magnitude. With more stable qubits, researchers can perform more operations, reduce correction requirements, and improve scalability. This could lower development costs and simplify future quantum architectures. Many experts believe stability is one of the key measurements that will determine which company leads the quantum race. That is why Microsoft's latest figures are generating so much discussion. One of the most surprising aspects of the announcement is Microsoft's confidence regarding its future roadmap. The company now believes practical and scalable quantum computers could be available by 2029, a timeline that is significantly shorter than many earlier predictions. Quantum computing roadmaps often extend decades into the future because of the technical challenges involved. However, improvements in stability have encouraged Microsoft to accelerate its plans. A fully scalable quantum computer could potentially perform calculations that are impossible for today's most powerful systems. While the 2029 target remains ambitious, it demonstrates the company's belief that major barriers are beginning to fall. The next few years will reveal whether this timeline proves realistic. Unlike many competitors, Microsoft is not relying primarily on superconducting circuits. Instead, the company has spent years developing topological qubits, a fundamentally different approach to quantum computing. The goal of topological qubits is to store information in a way that naturally resists environmental disturbances. Rather than depending on a single particle, information is distributed across multiple particles, making it harder for noise to corrupt the system. This design aims to reduce error rates at the hardware level instead of relying heavily on software-based corrections. Microsoft has invested more than a decade into this strategy because it believes stability must be built directly into the architecture. Majorana 2 is the latest and most advanced result of that long-term effort. One of the most important engineering changes in Majorana 2 involves the materials used inside the chip. Microsoft replaced the earlier aluminum-based superconductor with lead, a material known for its radiation shielding properties. Lead is commonly used in hospitals and scientific facilities because of its ability to block harmful radiation. At the microscopic level, it helps shield delicate quantum states from disturbances that can cause instability. Even tiny interactions from the surrounding environment can affect qubit performance, making protection extremely important. By redesigning the material stack, Microsoft created conditions that allow qubits to remain stable for much longer periods. This change is considered one of the key factors behind the chip's reported performance gains. An interesting part of the Majorana 2 story is the role played by artificial intelligence during development. Microsoft used its research platform known as Microsoft Discovery to assist scientists throughout the process. Developing advanced quantum hardware requires analyzing enormous amounts of experimental data collected over many years. AI systems helped automate measurements, identify patterns, and optimize manufacturing processes. Microsoft says the platform examined decades of research data to uncover relationships that might otherwise have gone unnoticed. This significantly reduced the time required for analysis and experimentation. As AI continues to evolve, its role in scientific discovery is becoming increasingly important. Majorana 2 may be one of the clearest examples of AI accelerating breakthrough research. The scientific community has responded with a mixture of excitement and careful analysis. Researchers agree that extending qubit lifetimes from microseconds to tens of seconds would be a major achievement if independently verified. Improvements of this scale could influence the direction of the entire quantum computing industry. Many physicists are particularly interested in the material science innovations behind the chip because they address one of the field's longest-standing problems. The announcement has sparked discussions across universities, research institutions, and technology companies. New experiments and peer-reviewed studies will help determine how well the technology performs under different conditions. Regardless of the final outcome, Majorana 2 has already become one of the most closely watched developments in quantum computing. Despite the excitement, many experts remain cautious. Extending stability is an important milestone, but it is only one part of building a practical quantum computer. Researchers still need to demonstrate that these qubits can be controlled, manipulated, and scaled into larger systems capable of solving real-world problems. Some scientists have pointed out that achieving long parity lifetimes does not automatically prove the existence of a fully operational topological quantum computer. Independent verification and peer review will play a critical role in evaluating Microsoft's claims. This cautious approach is standard practice in science, especially when dealing with breakthroughs of this magnitude. The coming years will provide much clearer answers. Majorana 2 has quickly become one of the most significant technology announcements of the year because it addresses the single biggest challenge facing quantum computing: stability. Microsoft claims a 1,000 times improvement in qubit lifetime, a redesigned material architecture, AI-assisted development, and a realistic path toward practical quantum computers by 2029. These achievements have generated excitement across both the technology and scientific communities. At the same time, researchers will continue testing and validating the results through peer review and independent studies. Whether Majorana 2 becomes the foundation of future quantum computers or simply another important step forward, one fact is clear: the race to build practical quantum computing systems has entered a very interesting new phase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.